What are you doing?
Measuring the bed. What? Get out of here.
I landed in the jungle. I spent the whole time lost in the clouds.
It's basically just a lot of shots of your ass, by the way.
Good.
Body in the summer storm. Somewhere over the ocean. Nothing can remind me you're so be gone. Something more than a steady hand.
Alright, so I just want to say, if you're interested in these vans, check out astrosafari.com. They got a ton of topics on everything you could want to know about, owner's manuals, parts, all sorts of stuff. So definitely check out astrosafari.com. So anyway, what I did is I went on the internet and I found some blueprints of the Astro, and I loaded them into SolidWorks, and then I built kind of a rough CAD model, not surfaced or anything, just solid modeling techniques. Just to kind of give me a space to work with. So here's the CAD model. You can see it's not perfect, but it just helped me plan things. One thing that I did want to do in this build was have the bed platform not be full width. I wanted it half width, especially with the Dutch doors. This is going to allow me to still put in longer items like bicycles, lumber, all that stuff. These are 1x3s. You can see I routed them a bit more on the top side. I'm gonna space these out with some sort of hardware yet. I don't know, washers. And then for the bed frame, these are 2x2s. Once I space all this stuff out, I think this will take up the rest of this gap. So I'm gonna find out.